I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Commodities Broker with RJO Futures here in Chicago, coming to you here from the floor of the CME Group with some commentary here in the energy markets. And I'm going to take a focus here on oil market here. You know, we started off this week here, of course, a holiday weekend, so we got a shortened week here. And the market kind of started off initially on the overnight a touch weaker, and then we really saw this thing catch a little bit of steam here. July oil pushing up towards $96 a barrel, and then recently seeing lows down around the 92.83, and currently we're kind of trading around that 93 area. And initially, I think, you know, the oil was garnering a lot of support, a little bit coming out of the Syrian conflict that continues to develop there, but I think mainly out of the global equity rally that we've seen that's been going on. And if you focus here now on the S&P, you take a look at that, we've actually seen a little bit of momentum. The market starts to lose a little bit of momentum there. I think in the S&P 500, we're starting to see some consolidation there. And I think what you're seeing now is the true supply and demand picture start to play out in that oil market. We've got the EIA data is going to be delayed here a day this week, but they're looking for a draw of about 500,000 barrels. I'm not that excited about it. I don't think that's enough to get this thing going. I think we need to see substantial draw here over several million barrels in order to reignite this market. I think at this point here, we're below that 200-day moving average, and I think with the sell-off that we've seen here, that we're probably going to start pressing down here towards the $90 area as we start to head into next week. Look at the stockpiles that we got going on right now. Year over year, crude stocks over 12 million barrels more for this time of year. 5-year average, we're almost 36 million barrels more for this time of year. So, again, I think, the demand remains somewhat questionable as we see, it does appear that things are slowing down a little bit there in China. You look at Europe, they're still a mess. Here in the States, granted, the equities markets look good, but we're also starting to see the dollar kind of firming up here, and I think that's going to help put some pressure on the oil market. So if you'd like to talk a little bit more, get some ideas, some strategies, give me a call, shoot me an email, be more than happy to talk with you. And of course, keep in mind that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk, may not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.